This is everything I'm taking with me from Land's End to John O'Groats. It's not everything I own. It's not everything I could take. Just what I've decided I actually need. Today, we're going to find out how this fits on the bike. The goal for today is to get all this luggage on the bike, take it out on the road, take it out on the trail, but before we can do any of that, we need to pack it. So let's get packing. Now it's packed, it's time to test fit everything to the bike. First off with the tank bag, that goes on easy, clipping into the adapter ring, no problem. Now for my main Temu luggage, which is carrying most of the essentials and all my electrical items, that's going on the rear pillion seat. And it's going to be secured down with just 2 straps. I'm going with 2 straps because I want to make this easy to get on and off. I don't want to waste time when I'm stopping, taking off multiple straps and undoing loads of clips. So I'm hoping this is going to be an easy solution that keeps the bag in place. Okay, time for a quick recap. I've got my toolkit at the front of the bike, secured to the engine bars, that's looking great. Some panniers either side, which hold the puncture repair kit and a tyre inflator. The tank bag, which has got the drone and other electrical items. And the main piece of luggage carrying all my essentials for day-to-day life on this trip. Now we need to see what they handle like on the road and on the trail. So let's fire up the bike and hit the road and maybe a trail. Fully loaded, I'm trying to ride roads that I expect to encounter on my trip from Land's End to John O'Groats. So sweeping A roads and minor B roads as well. Of course, it'd be rude not to do the odd trail to really put this luggage setup through its paces. I actually don't expect to do much trail riding on the route from Land's End to John O'Groats. But that being said, I am checking the route for any opportunities to do a bit of off-roading. So far, I'm thinking I might dive off and take in the Foss Way, the old Roman road that runs by Bath. And once further up country, I'm thinking I might take in a bit of the ACT, just to mix things up a bit. So practicing on the trail with all the luggage definitely feels important to me. So trails and road done, a quick stop and all looks good. The straps on the back are holding the bag in place nicely and nothing seems to have moved. Moving around to the front of the bike, I can see the toolkit is exactly where I secured it, so that is looking great. All in all, I'm really happy with how this luggage is sitting on the bike. That's another piece of the puzzle for my Land's End to John O'Groats ride done. Thank you as always for watching. Please stay tuned for more planning and of course more Voge content. Stay safe out there.